Welcome to our new PowerPoint in a new week. This week we again revise all the work we've done in grade 2. We will do horizontal adding, doubling, number value and place value, as well as all the angles. Horizontal adding. In grade 2 you use this method to add big numbers. In grade 3 we work with bigger numbers, and therefore you have to practice to work faster, to add horizontally with ease. Let's look at the following open number sentence. 15 plus 14 equals x. Remember, x is the unknown. You keep the first number as it is and decompose the second number. Decompose, it means to take apart. For example, 15 plus 14 equals 15 plus 10 plus 4, because you have decomposed that number. So 15 plus 10 equals 25, and then you must remember to add the 4 units, which will make 29. Or when you use bigger numbers, 152 plus 143. You keep the first number, 152, and then you decompose the second number, so it's plus 100 plus 40 plus 3. 152 plus 100 is 252. 252 plus 40 is 292 plus the 3 units, and that equals 295. Remember, you always add the biggest number first. For example, you add the 100, then the 40, and then the 3 units. Doubling. You will work exactly like in grade 2. You may take the number and multiply it or times with 2. As the number increases, become more, you decompose the number and double it. Let's double 93. So you decompose 93, which is 90 plus 3. Then you double each number. For example, 93 is 90 plus 3. Double 3 is 6. Double 90 or 9, and it's 18, and add a 0, or double 90 makes 180. Add the bottom numbers together. That means you have to compose the 2 bottom numbers. For example, 93 is 90 plus 3 is 180 plus 6, it's 186. Practice doubling by using different numbers. Go back to your grade 2 book to find more examples. We practice many examples in class. Number value and place value. The words explain actually to you what it means. Number. A number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number value is when you look at the value of the number Let's look at the number 325. When we decompose 325, you can see the number value clearly. For example, it's 300 plus 20 plus 5. The digit or the number 3 in 325 stands for 300. The digit 2 stands for 20, and the digit 5 is equal to 5 units. Place value. Place value shows us which house or place the number represents. Is it the 100th house, or the 10th house, or the unit's house? These houses are referred to as hundreds, tens, and units or ones. Units is you use U. Ten, you use T, capital letter T, and for hundreds you use a capital letter H. For thousands, a capital letter T with a small h. Look at the number 325. The place value of each digit is 3, h for 100, plus 2, 10, for 10, plus 5 units. So the 5 will live in the unit house. Place value. In the diagram, you will find the value for each house or place. In the unit house, you will find only one block. It may go up to 9 blocks. 9 is the biggest one-digit number. 1 is the smallest one-digit number. In the next house, you will find 10 blocks. 10 is the smallest two-digit number. You will be able to go up to 90. 9 tens. 99 is the biggest two-digit number. In the 100th house, you may find up to 900. 900. 100 is the smallest three-digit number. 999 is the biggest three-digit number. If you plus 1, you'll get 1,000, which is the smallest four-digit number. Lastly, it will be the 1,000th house. Here is a fun summary of place value and number value. You can go through this at your time. Place value and number value. Complete the following numbers by identifying the place value. Remember, place value is the house in which the digit lives. Fill in the place value on the given line. So, in the first number, 125, the 2 will be a 10 in the 10th house. The next one, 364, the 3 will be in the 100th house. 673, the 3 will be in the unit house. And the last one there, 210, the 0 will be in the unit house. 432, the 3 will be in the 10th house. 541, the 5 will be in the 100th house. 902, the 9 will be in the hundredth house. And 194, the 4 will be in the unit house. Complete the following numbers by identifying the number value. Now you use digits. Fill in the number value of the given line. 125, 20. 364, 300. 673, 3. 210, 0. 432, 30. 541, 500. 902, 900. 194, 4. Well done. Wow, exciting. We're starting with angles. An angle is formed when two line segments or sides meet a point or a vertex or a corner. There are different types of angles. I'm going to the colored part. The first one is an acute angle, an angle that measures less than 90 degrees. I always say it's acute puppy. It's just a small angle. Right angle, an angle that measures exactly 90 degrees. It's a vertical line with a horizontal line that connects in the middle with a little block that shows me this is a 90 degrees corner. Obtuse angle, an angle that measures more than 90 degrees. A straight angle, an angle that measures exactly 180 degrees. And two straight angles make a revolution right around, and that is equal to 360 degrees. Reflex angle, a reflex angle measures between 180 degrees and 360 degrees. Now you can also look at the other side, left-hand side, with the types of angles. We often give them names like A, B, C. A, B, C, and B is your corner or your vertex or the point where the two line segments meet. Right angle. A right angle is between 0 and 90 degrees. We always write a little square in the corner or vertex to show it's a 90 degrees angle. Acute angle. An acute angle is between 0 and 90 degrees. So it is from 0 degrees and it's smaller than 90 degrees. Remember, 90 degrees means it's a right angle. An acute angle you can remember by saying it is an acute puppy. It is a cute puppy. Obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is between 90 degrees, which is a right angle, and 180 degrees, which is a straight angle. If you look at the lounger, you will see that it is in the shape of an obtuse angle in the everyday life. Straight angle. A straight angle is an angle of 180 degrees. That is also half a circle, because 180 plus 180 makes 360 degrees, which is a revolution. Reflex angle. A reflex angle is bigger than 180 degrees, which is a straight angle, and smaller than 360 degrees, which is a rotation. If you look at the second picture, you will see we cut out an acute angle, and then a reflex angle is still left behind. We also look at the angle in real life when we use a hand fan. Last but not least, a revolution. A rotation is a full turn or rotation around its own center. For example, the hands on the clock. From 12 o'clock to 12 o'clock is one revolution. If you look at the first image, you will see there are 4 right angles in a revolution. There's also 2 straight angles in a revolution. If we look at the next image, you will see it's a quarter of a revolution. That means a right angle of 90 degrees. The next image is a half a revolution. That's 2 right angles and 1 straight angle from top to bottom. The last image is a 1 revolution. 4 right angles, 2 straight angles, and 1 full angle, which is a revolution. I hope you have learned a lot, and please repeat this PowerPoint that you know these facts very, very well.